Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products to hit the market. Today, we've got something truly special for all you bike enthusiasts out there.
Get ready to rev up your cleaning game with the best engine cleaning spray available. Muck Off Nanotech Bike Cleaner. Imagine having a cleaner that not only cuts through grime with unparalleled precision but also protects your bike's finish, leaving it looking as good as new.
Well, that's exactly what Muck Off Nanotech Bike Cleaner brings to the table. With its revolutionary nanotechnology, this cleaner penetrates deep into dirt, ensuring a thorough clean every time.
But don't just take our word for it.
Customers worldwide are singing its praises. This cleaner means business.
Watch as it effortlessly removes dirt and grime, leaving behind nothing but a sparkling finish. Whether you're tackling road bikes, mountain bikes, or trail bikes, Muck Off Nanotech Bike Cleaner has got you covered. Now, you might be wondering, what sets Muck Off apart from the competition?
Well, for starters, it's safe on all bike components and finishes. Plus, it's biodegradable, so you can clean with a clear conscience. And with its easy spray-on, wash-off application, cleaning your bike has never been simpler. Alright folks, there you have it, the ultimate engine cleaning spray for your beloved bike. Say goodbye to stubborn grime and hello to a showroom shine with Muck Off Nanotech Bike Cleaner.
Don't miss out on this game changer.
Click the link in the description to get yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, happy riding and happy cleaning.